Well, folks, this is Tim from Retirement's Underrated, and we've got honest to goodness hailstorm going on out here. This is crazy. Look at that come off the roof. That is totally crazy, folks. It is totally coming down. Look at that. Unbelievable. Man, oh man. No sooner did that start than it's over. Man, I don't think I've seen anything that heavy in a long time. Oops, and there you go. There's a big... Wow. That's nature's way of saying, hey, I'm here. Man, oh man. That's something else. Huh. Well, look at all of that stuff. Isn't that nuts, folks? Wow. Well, have a nice day and stay safe.